All right, let me make sure I got everything live. And that looks good. And that looks good. Post beautiful. That's live. Okay, great. Okay, that's good. That's good. Quantum expert. I may or may not be a quantum expert. It's actually unknowable. It's actually unknowable. Takes 10 years for the culture. Hello? All right, chat. Hey there, early bird. I've been up for 4.5 hours. I already went out for breakfast with some dudes from church, went home, dropped off some bacon, and then came over here. Because I'm not living at my house right now because we have construction going on at my house, but hopefully it's done shortly, which will be awesome. Dropped off some bacon. Yes, literally. We've been going to this breakfast place forever. I'm such good friends with the waitress that she invited us to her wedding because Neil goes there and always asks for extra bacon, and she loves him. So every time she gives extra bacon for me to go home to bring to Neil. She and my wife are friends now, and I can say I'll have the usual. It's a good time, chat. It's a good time. So yes, I literally went home and dropped off extra bacon that she gave. There we go. That's a little better. Engineering background. All right, let me make sure I don't have anything leakable on the screen before we get started here. All right, that seems good. Dog? Oh yeah, you can see her, can't you? Hey, Ember. Good girl. Such was the strength of the product pipeline and culture that Jobs left behind. That it initially looked like could break the spell. Show that it was possible for a logistics man to steer one of the great ships of American engineering. I see her? Not really. Well, that doesn't work. But now the 10-year curse is hidden apple with an eerily familiar thud. They wasted a decade chasing a self-driving dream without direction and ended up with the worst possible car interface to show for it. What a good dog. Is that a German Shepherd? She sure is. She's in her chair. I have this armchair in here literally just for her. No one else sits in it. What a good dog. All right. She is a beautiful doggo. She's a cutie pie. Oh, dang, Priv. Nice. Paid somebody's Airbnb for a stream. No, I'm commuting back to my house. Ember. Yeah, no, that's okay. So we're living at my parents' house. I'm driving back to my house every day to stream, which is hilarious. Oh, nice. Tell her Ember says hello back. I can tell. Right, puppy? You guys can't really see her anymore. I named her after Ember.js, the best framework of all time. That's it. It's Suno. RTO is tough these days. Exactly. It's affecting all of us, even streamers. Still doing return to office. I have a commute now. Oh, what's up, E? What is this song? It's the DHH blog post turned song. All right. I want to at some point. Was thinking about trying to set these up. I have these little other cameras I was going to put around the room. So I'm trying to get one and put it so you guys could see Ember sometimes. But we'll see. Has Amber Heard? Yes, it's after Amber Heard. That's why I named her Ember. Self-inflicted RTO. Okay. You can just go to suno.com/@beganbot is all of the tower jams that we made. Okay. Where were we? Not Vim. I want to type nvim. Oh, the other thing I needed to check was I don't think I installed everything Dylan told me to install yesterday. So apparently I need TypeScript tools if I want to be a cool person writing TypeScript. That's what I heard. And since we're just copying what other people are popular, we will of course do this. We're using frameworks for names. That's why I named new daughter Angular. Exactly. I'm doing great. Rude King. How are you? Oh, Mike Sang is missing in that playlist. Oh, I don't know. I'm just playing from his most popular. I'm just sorting by top on Began's page right now. We will put together something that makes the experience better. Okay, so this just... Do I really need all this stuff? Autoclass tags, file preferences... Okay, we'll come back to some of these. I don't really care for today. Okay. Bun, run, watch, source, index.tsx. That's what we did last time, right? Okay, so where we left off, we were selecting stuff here. This is just the GNU Linux copy pasta as a song. No, I clicked the wrong button. Dang it. That's not what I wanted to do. Why did it refresh the whole page? That doesn't make sense. Here. Okay, there we go. I was trying something here. Here, I'll make one for you guys. Is often called Linux, and many of its users are not aware that it is basically the GNU system developed by the GNU project. There really is a Linux, and these people are using it, but it is just a part of the system they use. Linux is the kernel, the program is the system that allocates the machine's resources to the other programs that you run. The kernel is an essential part of an operating system, but useless by itself. This is a banger. Yo, what up, Ed? Object. That's the coffee blend. Have you heard Kubernetes, boys? I haven't. I'm focusing on lyrics here. I got a new one coming for you guys right here. Alright. It should be sound... Segfault always slaps. This is my terminal 5. Yay, nice, nice. I'm drinking dark mode today right now. Kubernetes. What? Oh, don't tell me my internet's gonna suck again today. This is the new... This is... What is happening? We have to start it over because the effect is completely ruined here. This is a new effect theme song, chat. It's the new effect. It's the new effect theme song. Although I do feel like we need to say this library changed everything and had an effect on me. So we'll get there. We'll get there. I have to remember where we were here. Dang. You cannot currently order terminal shop in Europe. International shipping is just impossible. At some point we'll find a European roaster that we can work with reliably. Where is Kit? For real. If I don't stream unless the creator of the technology is in my chat. Okay? Oh, there he is. Whew, good, that was close. We almost couldn't get any work done today. Okay. What are we up to now? What are we up to now? We need to do something to show the description and stuff over here, right? That's what we do for real SSH terminal shop. So we need to show everything over here. We want this thing to update, right? That seems good. That seems reasonable. This part seems like it should be easier. Why does that weird dude have a crown? Ooh, crack the code. It stands for teej diva. Exactly. Framework. Kit. Which one? Ha, hoot, ah. This one? Guys, it's too light to even use for a workout. We're gonna run. Don't tell Dax. Don't tell Dax. But I kind of wanna run all of terminal off of this. He's gonna be really mad though, because he's like, oh, I like the cloud. Adam's an AWS hero. Blah blah blah. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna be like, well, I don't understand anything about that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put it all in this box instead. We'll see though. It seems fun. Next level self-hosting with powerful internet connection. Well, it's like, how powerful of an internet connection do you need to send text to people? Dude, Priv, Adam was the one who fixed USC 1. How do you think he got the title AWS Hero? They had to fly him in. He's in the Ozarks, so it takes a long time. 16 gigabyte like an 8 sleep? True. Yeah, they flew him in, and he saved the day. Okay, chat, you guys are distracting me big time. Big time. Here's a question. Here's a question for us. Actually, you know what? I can go to terminal.shop here, and I can go to API, and I can just see what the products look like, right? Don't I know what the... Don't we have like a... I don't remember. Because we're gonna rewrite all of this, obviously, in effect as well. Because we're effect pilled, as the kids like to say these days. Grop, scrape my own site, please. I'm too lazy to look. Great point. Let's go to terminal. Any stand up with... today's a Tuesday, so we are not going to do one. But also, Prime is not available to do stand-ups Wednesday and Friday, I think, this week. But we will be back to regularly scheduled stand-ups starting next week. Okay. We've got to have what, like API TS, right? I don't know. Is this what? I don't even know how we do this. Surely Dax made this in a way that I can figure out how it works. Database. Bun install. Okay. Like, we've got to have like a product, right? Object. Here we go. Oh, this would be so much better with effect schema. Object ID, name, price, and tags. Product variant. Info. Yeah. Vera, welcome. If you had to pick between AI and cybersecurity, which would you pick? I'm new to tech, need a direction. Let me tell you, if you think AI is going to be big... cybersecurity is also going to be a big deal. Is it Zod? It is. Info. Name, description, variance, order, subscription, time hidden. Got it. Info. List. Okay, so we have name, price, and description, I guess. Because how are we... I don't even know how we're putting into this. If we go to a go... Is this in shop? I don't even know how we get the description. Product description. Join vertical, lip glass left, name, variance, Product description, quantity. What are you building? We're building this, but in open, open TUI now. Yeah, there's a primary key. I was just wondering, like, what are we do? So this must be name, base, light roast, object, quantity. Where do we do the plus? I don't even know where we do that. Is that in here? Highlighted item. I can see why Adam's tilted writing this, so. Okay. Yep. This is the right page. Shop, splash, style, subscribe, footer, header, logo, cart, confirm, cursor. They used cursor.go? I thought it was written in TypeScript. How's Omachi? It's good. I am thinking about trying a Arch from scratch run, though. I think that might fits my style a little bit more. But I'm also thinking maybe I just go back to Pop! OS or Ubuntu. That's also a little bit more my speed as well. React.sh? Exactly. For me, that's the other direction. I was thinking of giving the Knicks fans 1 week. I was thinking of giving them 1 week for me to try Knicks OS. And if I don't like it, then I can forever tell them I tried it 1 time and I don't like it. Right, it's reproducible, which is good. I can keep my children then. Right, so I was going to give them maybe 1 shot. Because it's a win-win. Either we like it, or I can tell them forever, I tried it for 1 whole week and you guys failed me. And it's your fault and I can blame them. Which, that's a big win for me. That's a big win for me. You know? Exactly. Exactly. So either we like Knicks or we get to make fun of it. So, I mean, chat, can you really have a better option than that? I don't think so. Use Knicks for server? How about both? True. Good point. Where's AUR? I don't know, because for me, literally Pop! OS was perfect, except that Awesome WM doesn't run on Wayland, and then I would get screen tearing, and chat was sad. That's literally it. For me, it was perfect. Arch in the streets, Knicks in the sheets. Nice. Also, Mike, do you like your song? Are you listening? Gotta have some pan flute. What about fedora? No, we don't use Reddit, so I'm not allowed to wear a fedora. Pipes, maps, services, and layers. Now I'm exception free. I have said the library had an effect on me. Pipes, maps, services, and layers. Now I'm error free. All I can say is that library had an effect on me. I mean, that's good, right? That's good, chat. Mike, what are some other effect-pilled words that I can use? I'll make the same song, but I'm going to put different effect-pilled words inside. Been on Mint for 4 years, no Hyperland, though. Yeah, I don't necessarily need Hyperland, although I like it so far. Haven't on users, so many videos. I removed my YouTube members tier. What is this banger? This is called Pipes, Maps, Services, and Layers. Now I'm exception free. I have to say the library had an effect on me. Why not all the videos? Well, what do you mean? Oh, why didn't I go back and change every single one to public? That just seemed annoying. Moving them to public apparently sends a notification to people. I didn't realize. I got a message from a bunch of people yesterday. So I did the last like 30 streams. I put them all as public. And going forward, all the new ones will be public as well. Unless I just am not going to publish a stream. So I just deleted the member tier that I had before where people could subscribe to get that so that they weren't paying for something that they didn't, that they were already able to get for free, if that makes sense. I don't know. I just put a bunch of the last ones, yeah. Following Moist Critical? A little bit. I mean, I've been... The main reason is just I didn't feel like... I would love to follow Moist Critical's YouTube ad rev strategy. Yes, I would love to collect that much in ad rev. But it just felt like it wasn't that big of a win for people. You know? Hey, thanks, Amar. I made two member tiers on YouTube for people who want to just send money. But I removed the one that gave VODs. Because I think I'll just give VODs. I just give those. Yeah. Would love a casual 36 mil, exactly. So yes, I'm following the Moist Critical approach. I plan on making $36 million. Going Amish. Wow, that's long. Okay, we're not going to listen to that right now, but I got it in another tab. What do we got? Gamers is a big audience. Yeah, no, that's fine. We're okay. We're doing great, chat. There's no need to worry. Okay? There's no need to worry. We're doing great. Okay. All right. We need to put something on the right side of the screen now. So the other thing we need to do here, coffee groups. So this is like, I should do this ahead of time now, I feel like. I should move this result match completely out of this zone, I feel. Right, so I want to do something like this. And this. And take this box here. Put this here. This here. And then I'm going to put this like... I'm going to put this here. This here. Put this here. And then this here. And then put this and a that. I think something like this, right? Oh, this one needs to go here, I think, right? Okay, and then this needs to go here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, cool. So this is when it's loading. Now this should still work. That's great. Now free. Get Prime to give VODs for free too. I don't know if he will or not. He's his own YouTuber, chat. He can do what he likes. He also makes a lot more content, so it feels different. I just felt bad because I wasn't putting that much stuff on YouTube, and I didn't want people to pay for nothing, basically. Teams updates can now force restart your laptop. Very cool. Nice. Got to be a team player. Yeah, that's yeah. Our box some kind of div for 2.8? Yes. Prime? Yeah. So we're building coffee database. Well, we already have that part. That already exists. You can already order coffee through an API right here. You can do that already. We're building a different front end. Teamwork makes the dream work. Exactly. Hey, thanks, Alvis. I appreciate it. Maps now I'm error free. All I can say is that the library had an effect on me. Value dot filter. Now we need to go group.coffees.filter. Coffee.id. Yeah, we'll do this. Filter does what? If it's truthy, then it will return it, right? Oh, no, I want to map this. Oh, right, that won't, this isn't really what I want to do. Filter's the wrong thing for this. I want to do map. Is there filter map? Does effect have filter map? Can I do effect.filter map? Very cool. Filters and maps elements sequentially in one operation. If a function returns an option to each element, if it returns some, then here. But this is probably not the right thing, right? Like, this won't really work, will it? I know. This function signatures, dude. Array has filter map. That's probably what I want instead, right? Array filter. Oh, but effect.array. Does this have filter map something? In the array module. Do I have to import that separately from effect somehow? Don't look at the types. That's not my strategy. Import array from effect. Okay. Cool. Beautiful. That's nice. Applies function to each element of riddle filters, keeping the transforms value where the function returns some. Awesome. Okay. So then this is like, this doesn't return some. That doesn't return some. Does filter map return unknown list? I want to actually do... I actually don't want filter map, really. It's just, I don't even know what I would call this, right? I'm using Super Maven. I just want to find the first one of this, right? So do I just want to do find first? Return the first element that satisfies the predicate or none if something exists. Which is weird, though, because I'm looking for something inside of the list. Just do reduce. It starts with none and then I return some, but that's not really right either. Basically, okay, I have a list. I have a list of coffee groups like this. Oh, you know what I could do? I have this. Can't I just do get selected coffee? It honestly seems easier to just put inside of here, right? Does this support FP? Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. In OCaml, what would I do? I would write a recursive function, I guess, that looks for this till it finds one, then it returns it back. I don't know. I don't even know. Right? It's just weird because I'm looking for something inside of a list of somethings. You know what I'm saying? It does whatever you want to do. I know, it just feels weird to use reduce on that, does it not? Am I weird? Right? Where I could say none. Do I have effect none? This is option is none. Is there a none option? Option none. Make none. Option module. Okay, got it. New. I just import a new thing here. Option. Great. Oops. So I can go option.none. Option none returns an option never, which is subtype of option A, so you can use it in place of option A regardless of the type. Do I do this though? Or do I need to call this? Yo, what up, Adam? Adam, look what I'm making. Adam, look what I'm making. What does that look like to you? I'm taking your job at terminal. Awesome. Got me to use Emacs. Oh, nice. You're writing JavaScript? I'm writing OpenTUI. Yes. Adam, what are your thoughts on Effect TS? It's a symphony of thought, a community that's all. It's the only novel technology. Just OpenTUI. No! Let's go. Let's go. He said, let's go. We're safe, chat. That's good. Show Effect TS is a TUI lib. That makes, I don't have thoughts. So true. Typical AI hype, bro. Oh, what? You just asked Claude now for all of your opinions? Oh. I don't know. I just say, Claude, please think for me now. I'm too afraid to have my own thoughts. If Claude told you to not be a vegan, Adam, would you stop being a vegan? It's proven by AI. Stop drinking water. Claude needs it. Every voice memo. Oh my goodness, no, we can't pass this one. That was a close one. That was a close one. That was something I said just to vegan. That was a close call. We'll start these over. Here, me when my kid takes too long at the drinking fountain. Hey, leave some water for the LLMs. There you go. Thanks. I'm stealing that. Okay. I programmed a similar to Shop in ESP32, although it uses Telnet. That's cool. Have you heard of Grokpedia? It's all AI, and so therefore 100% accurate, and unbiased. Nice. These Amazon layups are crazy. Amazon has 1.5 million employees. Did you guys know that? 1.5 million. Is that not crazy? Will that only leave water for us? Perhaps. Grok, is that true? Wow, and Linux has 2,500 core contributors, still could create more integral product. That's funny, yeah. Well, they have a ton of subsidiaries, yeah. How much of them software devs? I don't know. They had 1.6 million, then they wouldn't have had those DNS issues. True, good point. Live long enough to use React, unsubscribed, based. It only takes one to take down AWS. Adam, are you still here? Is it true that they had to personally fly you in on Bezos's helicopter from the Ozarks to US East 1 to fix it, and that's what caused the delay to last so long? Because that's what I heard, and that's how you earn the title AWS Hero. Okay, Grok, is this true? Thoughtless. Adam Web Services. Are you some serious dev teachers not confirmed? Adam has children. Confirmed. Confirmed. You guys want to see the best code Adam's ever written? It's right here, guys. This is the best code he's ever written. Oh man. Oh no. New anthem for next Effect conference. Exactly. I've been cooking up different Effect TS songs. Layers now, I'm exception free. Not like this, chat. Exactly. In effect on me. All right, well, we'll try this. Option none. Can I do option? Does option.match exist? But this is weird because I want to break early from reduce. I mean, how I would do this normally is I would go something like this. Let selected, if I'm doing this the imperative way, is undefined, right? And then we go for const group of groups values like this. This is what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure how I write this in JavaScript land. Exception free had an effect on me. I wrote that line. This is all handcrafted lyrics. Need a find map. Is that a thing? That's what I feel like I want, right? What's up, higher order functioning? Array dot. Well, filter map isn't the same thing. Find last. Or as you guys are saying, find first and then just map it. Group dot. Groups dot value. Shouldn't this be coffee group? Group dot coffees dot find. But this is weird because then I don't like writing it this way. Find or find first. Well, right, because it's like find first, but then I'm gonna find the group. So then I'm gonna loop over it again, which I feel like is weird. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It just bothers me to write this. Do you know what I'm saying? So it feels like I want find map. I want to find one and map it. Because it's just in my head. Guys, I'm just getting used to writing TypeScript. I don't know how to write this language, okay? This Golang solution. Yuck. Ew. Gross. Functional solution. Wow. Fun. Fantastic. No, that's wrong completely. Something you can just go zoom out to affect atom level, then in React components you only use atom, use value, use set, use atom set. Okay, nice. I'll look. Okay. Coffee navigator atom. Groups, items, raw index, total, groups, items, total, index selected. Okay, gotcha. Okay, I'm following. So we get all this info and we turn a nice little object with all these guys in here. Hero versus cursor. What's your take? I don't know. I've only used cursor and I think it's pretty cool. Full disclosure, we did an event with them, so I'm pretty biased. Group view atom. Get. Atom family. The Adams Family? I've heard that song before. Couldn't Chessie dev stream coming? Good question. We have to talk to Anna to see if she still wants to do it. Paid endorsement. That's true. Yeah. That's not a bad option too. Selected coffee atom. Atom result. Cursor one try Super Mason. Yeah, I like. Seems like their Neoven plugins no longer being actively developed. I don't know. It's faster. It's faster than any of the other ones I've tried and it works nice for me, but yeah, I don't know. How the family would be used. Use atom value, group, view atom, group name. Coffee group column. On success. Missed you at TwitchCon. Oh, yeah. He's like, dude, Prime hired me. I'm like, WTF? Start doing live events again? Yeah. Jordan, we did it. Me and Began were on Night Stream, on Prime Stream, a ton when we were at the tower. Yeah, there's no issues for me. I'm still using it. It works great. So, no coffees yet. Group coffees map. Coffee IDX. Okay, yeah. Text, coffee name, sure. But now I need to get it for, I don't know. Everybody was working very hard to make it happen at the tower. But if no fine, we go to loop jail. Yeah. Night crew is very fun. But so you're saying what I should do is I have a new atom that depends on current coffee index or something, right? How did you do this? Let's go back to here. Coffee groups current group view atom selected. Well, I want a reference to the original one. I want to do, you know, I want to do this. This is fine. I guess this makes sense that it could be in an atom, right? And the atom depends on this in a way, similar to how we did this. Coffee IDs. Where I could go const currently selected coffee atom. Atom make get I don't think that's probably really what we want. Coffee IDs. That makes sense here. Yep, coffee IDs. Maybe it's better. Part of this is just like, it's weird that I'm doing this like in these groups. Maybe it's better just have a list and then we sort them based on the style. I don't know. Render's like a separate layer. That's what I'm going to try right now. We're going to test that out and see if this is the right kind of idea. Current coffee ID index, get result. Current coffee IDX atom. Wait, why does this one not work? I don't know. We'll do something like this. So why doesn't this work? Writable number is not assigned to right result unknown. Oh, I don't need to do this. I just say use atom value. Right, and then it's a number. Got it. Oh, right, because these aren't results. That makes sense. This one just always returns a number. That's fine. Got it. Okay, I'm catching on. Okay. Nice. What's up, Abhishek? Mards, hey, thanks for the repost on the stream as well. Okay, so now... Oh, or I can just do get. Oh, cool. Okay, nice. That works too. Okay, current coffee index. So now, let's say we have this. We have coffee groups, which is... Okay. I go like this. Now I need to yield this. Right. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. Function here. We do yield. Whoops. Okay, so now... Oh, that's so much nicer. I gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. So... Gotcha. Here. Coffee IDs. We don't need this here. This is coffee IDs. Selected. ID is this. Very cool. Right. Non-effectful. Yep. Got it. Whatever. This is fine, I guess, for now. Const group of coffee groups. Right. Then I can just do here. Instead, I'll just go return this, right? I don't know, something like this, right? So then this is option none coffee, option some coffee. It's weird though that I have a result to in oh, this is because no, that makes sense. Yeah, it's one of those things. I mean, technically this should just be, it should always find one, but whatever. I can do coffee here, right? And then I can do return effect fail, right? Which would remove the option. No, that's not what I do. Yield, or do I yield that? You have to yield. That's what I was wondering. Right? Because otherwise it returns a completely new one. Very cool. Result coffee or undefined. Is there a way to say it can't be undefined here? Oh yeah, I have to do this, right? Something like this. Is this the thing that I saw in the docs? Turns out reading the docs start to finish is helpful. I didn't quite finish yet, but I got a little bit far. Oh, chat. Day 2 of writing effect. We're already there. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, this is fine with me. Great. So now I have my currently selected coffee atom. And so I can say here, this is a result. Now, the only thing I don't like about this, can I do, well, it's fine. I hate that reading the docs is a bigger productivity benefit than using AI. Well, it's both. You can pipe. Effect that fail has a 6 type of never. Yeah, Teej never got sick from read the doxiosis. Exactly. Onto the end of use atom value. Pipe. What am I piping to this? Or else or something? I don't know if that makes sense. Not sure you want to do, or you can do result get or else. Yeah, that's kind of what I was wondering. Let's test it out over here, right? So we now have bink, bonk here. We also have, we can put this all in, one box here. Box. I guess that makes sense. That's what I would, generally speaking, kind of do, right? This X has no closing box. That's because I didn't do this box. There we go. Currently selected coffee. Right, we need to do result.match this. Coffee.id, right? Oh, whoops. No, this is value.id. Very nice. Or name. Okay. We're cooking, chat. We're cooking. And then this is row, I think, right? Yeah, there we go. Yep, very cool. Nice. Very cool. Flex grow 0, I guess? I don't know. Oh, right. This is the one that should be with 35%. Shouldn't this be 25% of the whole thing? Probably need to say that this whole thing needs to take up the whole business, maybe? I don't know. We're getting closer. That's pretty good, though. The Coffee Navigator returns a complex options. Everything you want to review, so you only have to do one result match. Yeah, that part makes sense, Kit. I'm following there, yeah. I'm following with what you got going on there. I'm still... I'll probably work myself into that situation. Stretch with the children, 100%. Oh, okay. Oh... Okay, yep. There we go. Yes, thank you. Good call. Okay, well, that looks pretty good, actually. Nice. We zoom this in. I don't think it... I think it probably doesn't resize the terminal inside of NeoVim, is my guess, yeah. That's cool, though. Nice. Look, that looks great, chat. Awesome. Okay, cool. We can figure out some more for that later, though. Okay, very cool, very cool, very cool, very cool. So let me look back at this. This is the whole... Here's everything we need for the cafe. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I mean, I've done React before. Not like a lot of it, but I have done React before. I haven't done any Open2E before, but yeah. All right, I need to make sure I have a meeting in 1 hour, chat. Okay. All right. No, this is Open2E. Okay. Well, this is cool. I like this. I just like how React is being used in places where it doesn't belong. Why doesn't it belong here? I'm making a reactive UI. It is for Terminal Shop, yeah. Terminal Shop UI? Yes, I am. Yeah, that's the eventual goal. It currently uses Charm, which is very cool product and everything, but all of the stuff Dax and Adam are doing with OpenCode is all using Open2E, and that's kind of where they've been putting a bunch of effort and other stuff like that. The rest of the stuff, a bunch of it also is written in, TypeScript, so it makes a little bit more sense for us in terms of just, like, maintaining everything to just put it all into the same stack as the other stuff that they're making. So, yeah. Okay. For 2 million a year, I love going. Same. True. That offer is available. I'll take the offer. Okay, let's figure out how we make components in Open2E. I was confused about this before. Components. Like, how do I do... You can create custom components by extending Open2E's base renderables. Okay. For 2 million a year, we even love JavaScript. Exactly. Oh, no, you guys can't know that one. That one's still a secret. We're going to turn that into something later for Began. Secrets. It's a very big secret. Very big secrets. We can play a few more Beganbot classics now, though. We'll play a few more classics. Where were we last time? I mean, we start here. This is a good one. Do you need a custom cone? Yeah, I was wondering, like, is this how I'm supposed to do this? I make this. I just write this inside of here, and then I extend this so I can use it in JSX like this. I don't, like, import it anywhere. Do I need a custom component? I don't know. I guess not, right? Commander, I didn't ask for your help yet. This is cheating. I'm only asking for effect TS help. No, okay, so Commander, would you just put this into like a function for this, or what would you do? What do you mean react in the terminal? I mean, like I wrote this react right here, and then it's doing this. What the heck? What's this song? It's Prime's idea. Okay, I'm leaving. Wait, because of the song, Commander, or what? No, I'm asking. Do I make a component like this for this kind of thing, or do I just put this into like a function, and then? So I just have something right here. Here, we'll just zoom out a little bit. You know, it does some use shenanigans. It does some things, right? Pretty much it just passes in one object. Like I could make this into something that takes props, and then I just, is that what you would do? Function, this is a dashboard. Like this. It is like, and then just put yoink all of this inside of here. Like, is that what you would do? Ideally, what's the subcomponent you're imagining? Well, I'm gonna selected product detail. Yeah, it's probably something like that. Yeah. So then I don't need to do anything special for that. I'll just do it like a normal function. This is what was throwing me off. I don't need to do this like extend registering the component stuff, I guess is what I'm saying. That's only if I want to do. I just didn't get what this is. I guess I don't understand why this is here, if that makes sense. This is so I can do something special to the actual rendering. I need to override some rendering or labeling or something else. This is if I want to, like, oh, this one actually is going to do something crazy. You just need custom components for custom rendering. Great. That may want to be clarified a little bit here, but maybe I'm just done. I'm with you now, though. We be vibing in the tower. Okay. Got it. I'm with you now. Okay. That's the one and only kit. Yeah. Okay. So this is like, I would say something like coffee selector props. And we could take basically this whole thing. Yeah. Right, probably this. And then I can go here. Cover groups never. Oh, I could go like this probably. Right? Got it. Nice. If I want to use current coffee index, I should pass that in then, right? Got it. Okay, I'm following. Is that not how I spelled it? All right. Props. Like this. Currently select coffee. Beautiful. Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense to me. This makes sense. But then we could put this whole thing into a result. I could move these out of here. Okay. It's all just BeganBot. This is suno.com/@BeganBot chat. They're all just AI songs we made in the tower. You get some code that works, here you go. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's check it out. Yep. That makes sense. Higher functioning. That's what I was gonna do as well. Everyone always hear me say vegan bot, but I'm saying vegan bot. But his name is, it's spelled like begin, but it's pronounced vegan. Okay, yep. ID, name, price, description, coffee group. That's what I have too. Coffee groups. Yep, get all. Make these. Very cool. Yep, got that. Runtime. Runtime Atom. Coffee groups default. Yep, coffee group Atom. Get the coffee groups. Yep. Coffee navigator. Right, so. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. But vegan, but the V is, yes. Did you know the Spanish don't distinguish between B and V? Very inclusive of them. Vegan, got it, exactly. Yes, thanks, chat. Can't replace your love on a broken branch. Where is... Okay, we'll play this one next. You cannot rebase your love on a broken branch, chat. You cannot do it. They'd be saying, let's go for breakfast. Let's cut this nice piece of veal. That's funny. Coffee navigator. Got it. So anytime I want to grab the state, we could just do this. And I'm the Adams family. That one is just new to me though. Atom family. How about the fact about React would have a React do? I don't think you need any special rendering yet. Yeah. I think you're right. You got that smile like a velvet dream. A voice so smooth it could melt ice cream. So we need to use an atom family to dynamically create a set of atoms from a key. The Adams family will ensure that we get a stable reference to the atom for each key. Got it. I wanna make love to me. You gotta send your private key. No secrets, no games, no mystery. Man. No, this is open TUI, Lufer. Open my heart, set it free, man. So true. Okay, so anywhere he wants, I see. This is like, let's get the current state. We're gonna do something interesting there. Got it. Got it. Yep. Yes, we'll play I Wanna Be Teej. It's coming up next. I'll play it next. Make love to me. Understand your private keys. No. Selected coffee atom. So we get that and then we get the selected. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I think I'm following. I'm following now, chat. Okay. So we're gonna end up rewriting this whole thing basically, which is fine. Oh, whoops. Sorry. Wrong button. I wanna be teej, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. Be teej, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. Do 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 do. Oh shoot, every once in a while get stuck in the really high pitched one, which is not a good sound. I don't wanna go, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna be teej, I wanna go, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. Okay. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, Draw, man. Appreciate that. That's nice of you. Okay, so I think I got this. Coffee groups Atom. This one turns this runtime into a coffee group. Good, that makes sense. Coffee IDs. We're gonna get these IDs. See, this one I think we don't need to do separately. I think we could just do something like, coffee navigate. He called it coffee navigator. I'm just gonna call it coffee state Atom. Right. So then, what did he do here for coffee navigator Atom? Atom.make get some Atom context here. But we want to affect gen this again here. Affect gen here, right? Okay, so then we're gonna get our coffee groups like this. Yield coffee groups Atom. Isn't this fine? Where did all the lav mics go? Oh, right, this needs to be get. Lav mics go. Oh, it's the wrong get. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Got it. Okay. Is this guaranteed to be Atom context? Okay, got it. What is effect gen here? Yeah, so this makes it so that you can yield like an effect that returns a result and you just get back the thing. So if you have an error or if it's loading or if it's the initial thing or any of the other stuff, it will get it handles all of that for you. Right? So then at the consumer, you're going to do the result.match and match on these different items, right? Is there no like, I mean, this just looks like so much work to get to, like, I feel like I'm writing more than I should need to for this. You know? It's like let and okay. Well, yes, similar in a lot of ways, yes. It just has some extra syntax needed because TypeScript, right? You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Like, it just has to do, so they've hijacked generators to make this work, you know? So then you can get back coffee group, even though this thing returns a result of coffee. So this is let star. Right, so now we can do const coffee IDs, right? Which is just like this. In fact, what I think what I want to do instead is I just want to do something like this. I want to just do const coffees is coffee groups reduce. What's the easiest way for this? I want to do just map this, but I want to turn it into, like, how would you do this? I want to turn this into a map, basically, right? I have an array of items. I want to turn this into a map of IDs to values, right? You can forget you can forget FN instead of an arrow function that returns an effect. Say that once again, Jack. I'm not sure what you mean. Whatever. We can just do coffee groups dot reduce, I guess. I mean, that's what I would do in new map. I mean, that's what I would do here. Is this not how you do? Oh, does it come second in JavaScript? It's like this. Okay, sure. Cool. Okay, so that's the coffees. Okay, cool. That's fine with me. Yep. She's the only better way to write React, in my opinion. We should try Rescript at some point, but we're trying effect. Man, the second half of the song always lets me down. I really don't like that one. It's way too crazy. Okay, so then at the end, we want to do something like this. We want to go coffee groups. We want to do coffees like this. So then this will have a result for coffee groups and coffees, right? Awesome. Then we could also const. We want to go const selected coffee. This is before this, right? Current coffee right here. That's actually the one that we want. Oh, that's... If we put this into a map, it doesn't work. Because the sorting's not guaranteed. Because before we were just doing it as a... that's a... Yeah. Yeah, it's just a lot of different stuff for me in my head for how some of this works, you know? What's up, Siddharth? Welcome. Yes. Yeah, I don't know. Currently selected coffee Adam, right? So it's like we can get the coffee IDs. I mean, we can go coffee IDs here, and we can just do coffee groups like this. That's fine too. It's just a list of strings. Current coffee. But does this run this every time we try and get this thing? That part's a little bit annoying, right? In the sense, like, it's fine, I think. Like, it just happens once for, it's gonna only happen a few times for render, but I don't really know. What's up, Pick? I have coffees, not coffee groups, and coffees inside. Yeah, that is kind of what I'm wondering, if we should just switch this around to start with a map of coffees, and then we just, like, group them by certain orders, you know what I mean? It runs when it recomputes, right? So it's like, that's kind of lame. Oh wait, it runs when it recomputes. So it knows it has the dependencies for this. So it won't run unless these change, you're saying. So until these change, it won't run. It does that for me automatically. That's the whole point of using Atom. I'm just making sure I'm understanding that correctly. Okay, great. Then that's amazing. Okay, then we won't switch that up for right now, but we could hypothetically do that later. Ain't nothing wrong shipping straight to prod. Pick, I think we need to make your song again. You know what I'm saying? But we need to do it with a little bit with newer version of Suno. Coffee IDs. We don't need this then. And we don't need this or this or this. Because we're going to go, you know, const currently selected coffee is coffee IDs this. Right. I can do this and then it'll just say that it's coffees. Isn't it coffees? Is a map of string of coffee? Oh, do I have to do get? Okay. Well, I know that those will exist, so I don't really care. Because I'm literally pulling them from inside of here. Yeah, Pick. The ending was such a letdown, yeah. Yeah, I mean, these are all just meme songs that we made from the stream, you know what I mean? Like, it's just funny. They're just good for vibing. Okay. So now what we can do instead, chat, is instead of doing all of this, right? Which I don't think I even need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. And I don't need this. We can go const coffee state is this. Beautiful. I have this now. So then we can go here. We'll go result.match coffee state. Like this. We'll go on initial. I don't know. Does that doesn't. Oh wait, I lost my thing that I wanted. We want to go on initial here. Return text loading. On failure. On success. Oh, I can write this like this, right? I do like that a little bit better. For simple ones here. I don't know. I don't know if I have really a strong preference, but here you go. Okay. This is state. So this should be state.coffeegroups and state.currentCoffee and I think we don't even need this, really. So if we go to here, this no longer needs to be this. This is just this. And then this is this. And this could just be selected coffee. Whoops. Sorry, chat. I'm just... Oh, whoops. State.value dot this and value that. Okay. Okay, great. Coffee selector. Why? This type is unknown. Oh, that's because it's just broken. Awesome. So now we just don't need any of this stuff here. Or none of this here. And we can delete the on failure stuff here. And we can just do this. Which we don't need this anymore either. Great. And then this is no longer a match either. It's just this. Selected, oops, props.selected coffee.name. There we go. And then this is just, I don't think we need any of these. This is just props.coffee groups selected ID, selected props.selected coffee ID. Okay, that's good. Right, this is coffee state. Okay, right, so this is the part that's a little bit goofy. Let's just comment this part out for a sec. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so we're so back. This is much nicer now. We have to make node blend. We're bun boys. What seems to make TypeScript uglier than Rust. We'll see. Raphael, I'm using Super Maven. Okay. So we have coffee state, which is a result. I guess. Oh, I cannot use keyboard. I cannot put use keyboard inside of here. That's a no-no. That's what I heard. Can I put use keyboard though? I can put it inside of here, right? Props dot colocate. I can put it inside of here, right? I just need to do. I don't think we need it that way. Well, yeah, we can do it this way. Current coffee index. Props.coffee groups. Right, I actually don't need that. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, but this is the wrong thing. I did the same thing again. This is coffee groups. We don't want that. We want coffee IDs. We just didn't pass that in yet. At this point, I'm feeling like I should just pass in the state directly, but we'll do this. Coffee IDs. I keep spelling coffee ID wrongs, like crazily wrong. And we say coffee IDs is this. Beautiful. So now I can go like that. Another add-on feature, update your state in a fancy way and end up with this. Please render correctly. If key.name is up, move selection. Where does move selection come from though? Another option. Yeah. Kit, it will never format anything. It strips all white space. Atom FN. Right. Okay, I think I'm following. Yep. Oh, get.set. Really? All right, here we'll try that. We'll try this out for a sec. FN context, yes. So this should be CTX. Yeah. Okay, good. Total. State.coffeeids.length is 0. Wait, we're not on Began stuff anymore. I was like, that's not a Began song. Let's do. Oh, this is a good one. It is a part of my coffee state, Adam, so I shouldn't have to recalc. Yeah. It just that part doesn't bother me. Okay, so then move selection Adam. So then for me here, where I have... I go down to here. We can put this by state. Sleeping. And you should be too. Cool. Wait, nope, not quite. What did I do wrong here? Use atom set, move selection atom, yield context result, coffee state atom, coffee ID's length 1. If direction is next 1, -1, state current coffee x plus delta plus current coffee. Wait, that can't be right. That's not the right thing. We added that twice. I copied the wrong. I copied the wrong thing there. State total. Right, this is... Yeah, that's fine. We just copy pasted wrong. Cool. This could be in app if you want, but should work anywhere. Right, yeah, that makes sense. I put this one here because I'm thinking this is... coffee selector, that's the one that I want this to do this for. You know what I'm saying? Right, so like it makes sense to me to put this one here. I get that it can go anywhere because it's talking the same atoms. The atoms live outside the app. We talk to those. They stay there the whole time. So that makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. Late to the party, notification didn't work. That's probably because I never posted on Discord like a dummy. At everyone. Real fans already got the Twitch notification 1.5 hours ago. But you can come and hang for the last 30 min if you're around. Okay, yep. Nice. No one here to yell at me. Okay. Flex direction row with 100% align items, flex star, flex. Okay, yeah. Great. I can yell for a small fee. Just $2 million. I can love yelling for $2 million. Okay. This makes sense to me. This makes sense. Carve. I'm doing great. What about you? Get.set goes hard, though. Should we make a song? We gotta make a song. All right, I got one. I got one for us, chat. It's coming. It's cooking right now. I was going to completely remove how to deal with the resulting components. There's this fancy bit. The constant result is use atom suspense. Okay. Well, here we go. No, this is to run in the terminal still. This is what we've written so far. I haven't been listening to the music and didn't realize what was happening. Oh my goodness. What am I listening to? Propaganda. We'll see how this one. Well, I got another one for you. You have a crown? Just listen to the lyrics. Those days in the Tower of Loneliness. Oh man, it kind of slaps though. Grok's gonna think this is true, by the way. It slaps Michael in particular, yeah. Okay, this is starting to really make sense to me though. I'm following here. Use the Atom runtime to make that Atom service for the layer. Okay, so we get this. Can I just put runtime Atom dot Atom? Can I just put this here? Like, can I do this instead? Does that make sense? Like, can I just put this right in here instead of this? Can I put this? You could, but you need to use the runtime Atom. Oops. I need to do runtime Atom. Use the okay. And reload just that Atom. Okay, gotcha. Okay. That makes sense to me. Yep. Okay, cool. I wrote it alone. Loneliness. All right, well, this looks pretty good. So now the question is, if I did this, right, we could put this whole thing inside of another, I could just put another box here, right, like this. And then I could put, you know, border. Oops. Did something happen in here that's weird? Border color is, you know, pink or something like this. Oops, not that one. I don't want to do that right now. Sweet, so then that's perfect. Try use Atom suspense of using Atom and Atom promote. Okay. Arnality. They got that one a little bit wrong. Use Atom suspense. Okay, so then this way I wouldn't have to do any of this other stuff here. Yep, that makes sense. But I actually, in this case, I will be sending like an actual HTTP request to our server and like getting the response back. So like in real life, I think for this one, I actually want to use this. I don't know anything about React Suspense. I've been waiting for it to be past the trailer. I don't want any spoilers. You know what I'm saying? It's like sometimes the trailer spoils everything. You watch the movie, you already know the ending. I don't want that for me. Also, LOL. Charging under releasing or canceled? No, yes, we have a not finished, but a version you can download and play. Carve. And the goal is me and Prime will get some time where we're working on this still more to push forward towards like a game that could actually be released. But we have a game that like that is a game that you can play, right? So it's like it's free. Just download it. Download Love. Do Love dot. Run the game. You can see it. Polished Doria. Yeah. I mean, like, honestly, it's a lot of work to take a game from a lot of the way done to done, you know? So, like, we're going to try and do it, but not setting any timelines for ourselves or, like, trying to do anything crazy for it. But, like, I have fun writing the game. I want to work on it more. We just have a bunch of other stuff going on. Right now, there's a momento. Okay, this is very cool. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave this for later because I may want this. So I didn't mean the game, I meant the song. I was wrong. It wasn't during time. It was some other stream. I never heard the single you guys made. Oh, the real song, the one we actually recorded. No, that's gonna come out at React Miami next year as kind of like a fun hype thing for us for React Miami. I think is the current plan. As kind of like for us a fun thing to do there and to release, since that's when we recorded it and everything. That just kind of seemed like a fun way to release it. Yeah, Bassie's pretty crazy. I need it for the NYC effect. The first one. This one? Well, they're all good. The EP. I'll add each of these. I'll add each of them to a playlist for you and send you the playlist. Created beautiful. How do I? Okay. Does this work? Kit, does that work? I should do this. Yeah, we could have Kid on to talk about effect. Would be fun. We give Prime another chance. I looked at some of the old effect stuff when it had the generators with the $sign and everything and all the other things. I like the new version a lot better. Okay, so if we changed this to, 75% and we went here. See, this is great. Man, Adam must be so tilted that we can just put this to something like, and just get this smaller. And last time he had to do all of these calculations by hand and all these other things. Is great. I was blocked by Prime until a few weeks ago. Nice. Same. Oh, man. Called him a drama queen, he got offended. Salt Miami's. He's the drama king, okay? What is this React 2-y stuff? Okay, so now if we did something else, right? If we think about like what does this look like for terminal shop, we can make like this header bar, right? We could make a cool header bar. Right, and this would be like some box here, height is I don't know what is like 5. What does this do? Can I do 5? 5? Is that 5 blocks? I wonder. Let's see. It's just 5. It's just 5. First edition open source Gladiator. I know, dude. So I do love the concept of like, you delete the repo. You delete the repo. Okay, nice. This must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That counts the border. So if we changed this to be 1, 2, 3, that would look similar. Nice. Very cool. Now we need to figure out how to draw boxes in this cool way, though. That's nice, though. My guess is I should just look at open code for this, because I'm sure they've got this somewhere. Oh, but this version isn't even is this even the one with Open TUI yet? I actually don't know. Need better ways to count for the UI. Commit! Good, that's not a bad plan. I haven't committed once this whole time. I don't need to, you know? Good call. Higher order functioning. Okay. Is there a divider component, vertical line? I don't think there is one by default, I'm guessing. There's a branch for OpenTUI. Oh. Dax never lets me know stuff like that. We'll actually come back to this one. I need to look this up. All right, let's see how we can do. Actually, no, this one. Does it have like divider? No, that's fine. Only weak devs commit. Yeah, I don't have commitment issues. I can do it whenever I want. Font, use state, block, shade, slick, tiny. Border, true. Padding left 1, padding right. Wow. Okay, so we can do a lot more than I was paying attention to here. Can I do this? Okay, nice. Cool. That's very cool. I don't know which way I like better. I don't know. That's okay. I mean, we don't have to make it exactly the same. Lane? We're remaking this, but we're killing Golang. That's what we're doing. Trying my own typing library Swift for 2 areas, you gave up quickly. Beard of Charm. That's what we're deleting. Okay. No, I mean, the main reason is Adam and Dax are using OpenTUI for open code. So if I want to convince Adam to ever work on terminal.shop for anything ever again, I have to delete all the Golang code. The other reason is just a bunch of other stuff for the project's already in JavaScript land. It actually makes things like simpler and easier to iterate across everything. So, yeah. Don't worry, we're not going to make a website, though. You know, we're not going to make a website. I'm just going to run JavaScript through SSH. Like how it was designed. Okay? How it was designed to be run. If you think about it, I'm really writing this in Zig because we're going to run it with Bun. So does that make you feel better, Lane? What up, Sardo? You started to enjoy PHP. I knew it was all over. JS, straight from the tap. Exactly. Okay, for a header, you say it as if website was a dirty word. It sure is. It sure is. Sardoche? I don't know what that means. Probably shouldn't say the word out loud if I don't know what it is, but it's a little late now. Okay. Let's see if we can get this kind of going, right? So the first thing we've got is Sardo comes from Michael Sardo. What's a website? Terminal. Isn't there like attributes? Bold. I don't know what attributes supposed to be. Text buffer options. I thought there was like text attributes or something that I'm supposed to use. Text attributes. Bold. Ah, okay. Nice. Okay. So I guess I don't know. Let's see. Text attributes. I saw this earlier. Attributes dim. What if we want to do multiple? Oh, I probably add these. Bold plus text attributes dot blink. Oh, pog. It seems like it's lying. Seems like it's not supporting blink. Very sad. What does dim do? Maybe it doesn't work inside of this. I'm not sure. Prime's not coding. We found a refuge. Prime's coding. We expose strong. We expose strong, etc. Okay, nice. I don't think plus works. Yeah, you must union the bits. Oh, am I doing like and? One and three. I mean, it might just not work. I don't know. No blinky. That's fine. If I do text, can I go style, padding, padding? Oops. Pad left, 5. Is this not working? Do I have to say like padding true or something? You cried, comma. Hey, see you, Pharaoh. I'm leaving in like 2 minutes, so we're not gonna summon Commander for this. Pad the box. Saying here, go. The box has to have the padding. Got it. Okay. Or I need to put a box here around this. Got it. So if we had something like... Well, the thing is I got to kind of draw this a little bit different, I feel like. Because we can't... I have to draw this kind of weird to make this similar experience, I feel like. Text nodes I handle a little differently. Okay, cool. That's no problem. Like to draw, to change the border character, it'll be a little bit weird to do this. You guys see it like this line connects here and here. I have to draw. I can't just use box border for that. Why are you guys moving away from Go? Just everything else that Dax and Adam have is TypeScript. What can you do? Charlie? Library for terminal? No. We're using a library for terminal programs. So that is actually working, which is cool. This could be a case for where we would actually want to make a custom component, potentially. Where we make a divided box, and we change the way that it's rendered, right? By doing custom components here. Because we could do something here like... We could draw the dividing characters here over the children, probably, right? Well, we could easily do... I mean, if we just wanted to do it this way, I would just go... This gets rid of... the border entirely, right? I could just do, you know, border here. Right, and then I would just make this, you know, there's another box here. And we could do, you know, the same thing, basically. You know, text, account, you know, like this, right? But we want to do, this is... what's the flex? Flex wrap. Flex direction. We want to do row here, I think, right? Yeah. Right. This is not right. Oh yeah, I want to do the same thing for both. That's why. Right, like this is okay, but I actually want to put these guys right next to each other to do this, because I think this effect is quite nice. Right. Border left is 0. That's not going to connect them, though, I think, still, right? You just draw the tables with the box charts. That's what I'm saying. I probably just have to draw them. That's fine. I can make a custom component that could do that for me easily. Right, I know I can draw the box characters there. I've done that. Believe it or not, I have done that before. I have done that, yeah. So I'm saying I'm trying to figure out how I would do that the best. I think custom component, right? Where I say, you know, table with dividers component. Yeah, no, Carver, you're good. You're good, buddy. You're good. Mars, what are my views on recent reports of layoffs in Amazon? It seems like they probably happened. I don't know what do you mean my views? What are my views? I don't understand. Check out Telescope. Oh, you're an astronomer? No. Okay, I gotta go though. Is Prime on right now? Nice. All right, I gotta go. Oh, Dylan's on. Sorry, Prime. We gotta raid Dylan. Gotcha. Say move over. There's a new move over. There's a new effect influencer in town. Okay. We'll be back hopefully again tomorrow is the plan, and we'll do some more work on this, which should be fun. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day, everybody, and bye-bye. Go say hi to Dylan for me. See you, YouTube. See you, X.com. Yes, I am using Omachi right now, at least. I may try some other stuff at some point, but it's cool. Okay, bye, X. Bye, YouTube.